Hunters across the country are scrambling, ammo shelves are emptying, and one hunting caliber is vanishing faster than a whitetail at dawn. What makes this caliber so powerful, so accurate, and so desirable that everyone's trying to get their hands on it before it's too late? Today, we reveal the ultimate hunting caliber you need to own before it disappears forever. If you're a serious hunter or even just getting started, this could be your best investment of the year. Let's break it down: why it's in demand, what it does better than any other round, and how you can still get your hands on it before it's gone. Let's dive in before it's too late. Number 5.
300 Winchester Magnum. This cartridge delivers exceptional accuracy and range, especially when using heavier bullets like the 200 grain ELDX. The 300 Winchester Magnum, commonly 300 Win Mag, is one of the most powerful and widely used 30 caliber Magnum rifle cartridges in the world. Introduced in 1963 by Winchester, it's prized for its long-range power, flat trajectory, and versatility in both military and hunting applications. Quick specs: bullet diameter 308, 7.62 case type, belted Magnum based on the 375H and H case. Typical bullet weights 150-220 grains. Muzzle velocity 2,953,300 FPs. Depending on load, effective range 1,200 plus yards. Depending on shooter and setup platform, long-action bolt rifles, some semi-autos. Key strengths: hard-hitting power, delivers massive energy for long-range big-game hunting, elk, moose, bear, etc. Versatile bullet selection, from 150 GR for deer to 200 plus GR for long-range or dangerous game. Military proven, used by snipers in military applications due to range and penetration. Relatively flat shooting, especially with lighter bullets or modern long-range loads. Trade-offs: recoil, substantially higher than 6.5 Creedmoor or 308, can be punishing in lightweight rifles. Barrel life: high pressure/velocity, wears barrels faster. 1,500 rounds of peak precision, muzzle blast and noise. Very loud with strong concussion, can be harsh without a brake or suppressor. Ammo cost: more expensive than standard hunting rounds, 308, 36, etc.
Number 4.
Winchester in 2002 is a short-action Magnum cartridge that boosts the performance of the traditional .27 Winchester. It delivers higher velocities, flatter trajectories, and better energy retention, especially appealing to long-range hunters targeting medium to large game. Cartridge specifications: bullet diameter 0.277 inch, case type rimless, bottleneck, short Magnum design, case length 2.10 inch, overall length 2.860 inch, rifling twist rate 1:10, primer type large rifle Magnum, SAMI max pressure 65,000 psi. Note: actual results vary by barrel length and ammo load. Effective hunting range: deer/antelope 800 plus yards, elk/moose 500 to 600 yards. Best use: western big game hunting, long open shots. Pros: extremely flat shooting, ideal for long-range hunting. Hard-hitting energy, excellent terminal performance on big game. Short action compatible, lighter, faster bolt throw. Strong ballistic coefficients with modern bullet designs. Great for elk, deer, and long shots in mountainous or open terrain. Cons: ammo cost and availability, less common than .270 Win or 6.5 Creedmoor. Recoil: noticeably more than standard .270, not brutal but sharp. Barrel life: Magnum speeds equals shorter lifespan, approx 1,500-2,500 rounds. Limited factory load selection versus more popular cartridges. Ammo price: 2025 average, standard hunting loads $55 to $75 per box, 20 rounds. Premium loads e.g. Nosler AccuBond, Barnes TXX, $70 to $90 plus. Popular rifles chambered in 270 WSM, Browning X-Bolt, Winchester Model 70 Super Grade, Savage 110 Storm, Christensen Arms Mesa, Kimber 84L Montana, Tikka T3X Lite. Final verdict, the 270 WSM is a flatter, faster, and more powerful evolution of the classic 270 Winchester. If you hunt open country and need long-range accuracy with high energy, it's a top-tier choice. However, be prepared for less ammo availability, higher costs, and moderate recoil.
Number 3.
6.5 PRC. Absolutely, let's dive deep into the 6.5 PRC precision rifle cartridge. This round has become a favorite among long-range shooters and hunters alike due to its balance of speed, accuracy, and manageable recoil. Here's the full breakdown. 6.5 PRC precision rifle cartridge. Caliber 6.5mm, 264 inches. Type centerfire rifle cartridge. Introduced by Hornady, officially launched in 2018. Parent case 300 Ruger Compact Magnum RCM. The 6.5 PRC was designed to be a Magnum version of the 6.5 Creedmoor, offering higher velocity, better long-range performance, and maintaining the excellent ballistics 6.5M projectiles are known for. Bullet diameter 264 in, 6.7 m, 297 in, 7.54 mn, shoulder diameter 491 in, 12.47 mm, 532 in, 13.51 m, case length 2.30 in, 51.56 m, overall length 2.955 in, 75.6 m, case capacity 67-60-68 grains H2O. Use cases. Long-range target shooting. High ballistic coefficient BC bullets for long-distance stability. Minimal wind drift and excellent retained energy at distance. Hunting. Effective on medium to large game, deer, elk, mountain goat, flat trajectory, and devastating terminal performance at long ranges. Competition shooting. PRS Precision Rifle Series and NRL National Rifle League. Shooters appreciate the speed and consistency. Pros and cons. Pros: higher velocity than 6.5 Creedmoor. Excellent downrange energy and BC. Great for both hunting and precision competition. Commercially available ammo and brass. Superior wind performance. Cons: barrel life, 1,500-2,000 rounds, is lower than Creedmoor due to higher pressure. More recoil than 6.5 seam, though still manageable, requires Magnum bolt face. Ammo availability, still improving compared to 6.5 cam. Firearms chambered in 6.5 PRC. Many manufacturers offer bolt-action rifles chambered for 6.5 PRC. Popular models include Christensen Arms Ridgeline Bergara B 14 HMR, Savage 110 High Country, Ruger Hawkeye Long Range Hunter, Seekins Precision Havoc, Fierce Firearms.
Number 2.
0. Springfield. Historical background introduced. 1906 by the U.S. Army. Official name, .30 caliber, model of 1906. Replaced .303 and .304 Krag. Military service, 1906-1957. Used in WWI, Korea, and early Vietnam. Originally designed for the M1903 Springfield rifle, then widely adopted in M1 Garand, Bar, and various machine guns. Cartridge specifications. Bullet diameter, .308 inch, 7.82 millimeters. Case type, rimless, bottleneck. Case length, 2.494 inch, 63.3 millimeters. Overall length, 3.34 inch, 84.8 millimeters. Standard bullet weights 150 to 180 grains, commonly. Muzzle velocity 150 grains, 2,900 FPS. Muzzle energy 150 grains, 2,820 feet-pounds. SAMI max pressure 60,000 psi. Performance overview. Effective range 500 to 800 yards for hunting, up to 1,200 yards for trained shooters. Flat trajectory, strong terminal energy, and proven big game effectiveness. Very popular for North American big game and also used in Africa for medium plains game. Best game applications: deer, elk, black bear, moose, wild boar, African antelope, kudu, impala, etc. With proper bullet selection, the 30-06 can ethically and efficiently take down nearly any game animal in the world. Rifles chambered in 30-06, Springfield M1903 Springfield, M1 Garand, Remington 700, Winchester Model 70, Tikka, Browning, Ruger, Savage, and many others. Also available in semi-automatics, lever actions, and single shots. Advantages: one of the most versatile hunting cartridges ever made. Enormous bullet selection, from 110 to 220 grains. Great for factory loads and hand loading. Effective for both close range and long distance shooting. Massive availability of rifles, ammo, and components worldwide. Drawbacks: recoil is noticeable, especially in lighter rifles. Slightly outclassed by newer long-range rounds like the 6.5 Creedmoor and 300 PRC in terms of wind drift and drop. Not ideal for small game due to high power. Fun fact, the 30-06 name refers to its .30 caliber bullet and its year of adoption, 1906. Over a century later, it's still going strong among hunters, target shooters, and collectors alike.
Number 1.
1952 by Winchester. Parent case 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. Case type rimless bottleneck. Bullet diameter 0.308 inch, 7.82 millimeters. Overall length 2.8 inch, 71.1 millimeters. Common bullet weights 147, 180 grains, but ranges from 110 to 200 grains. Typical muzzle velocity 2,600 to 2,800 FPS, depending on load. Typical muzzle energy 2,500 to 2,700 foot-pounds. History and development. The .308 Winchester was developed as a civilian version of the 7.62 by 51 mm NATO military cartridge. Winchester released it to the public just before NATO formally adopted its military counterpart. It quickly became popular among hunters, precision shooters, and military/law enforcement. Hunting use. The .308 Win is extremely versatile and can ethically take down a wide range of game: deer, elk, black bear, hogs, antelope. With proper bullet selection, it has excellent penetration and stopping power, making it a favorite for both whitetail woods and open-range elk hunts. Ballistics and performance. Flat shooting up to 300 yards, with manageable drop out to 500 yards. Offers solid accuracy and low recoil for its class. Suitable for both short and long-action rifles. Ballistically, it's slightly less powerful than the .30-06 Springfield, but in practice, the difference is often negligible, especially with modern loads. Why it's still relevant in 2025? Massive ammo availability and variety, FMJ, soft point, ballistic tip, etc. Supported by almost every major rifle manufacturer. Effective from short-barrel hunting rifles to sniper platforms. Easy to reload for hand loaders. Performs well in semi-auto, bolt action, and even AR-10 platforms. Limitations. Not ideal for very large or dangerous game like moose or grizzly, though it's been done. has more drop past 500 yards compared to modern Magnums or 6.5mm cartridges. Can be outperformed in wind drift and long-range ballistics by newer rounds like the 6.5 Creedmoor or .280 AI. Best uses in 2025: general-purpose hunting, tactical training and police sniper roles, long-range target shooting to an extent, survival/prepper applications due to wide availability. Final verdict? The .308 Winchester remains one of the top all-around cartridges for North American hunters. It's accurate, effective, and time-tested. Truly the Swiss Army knife of rifle calibers.